Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a bit of a sort of off the main route of what we deal with on this channel. In that it's not a mechanical problem, it's a cosmetic problem. It's on the ISF, and I think the best thing to do is for me to take you outside and show you what I mean. So the car looks fairly normal until you get to here. This was a bit of a mystery to me. I discovered it by accident after we came back from a trip to Germany. I don't doubt that it was probably my fault. The good thing about this is it's below this line here, which means I can spray from this line down, and the internet is full of interesting videos that say you can push these things out with some hot air or some hot water and something to press from behind. So seeing as this would have to go to a body shop to be fixed anyway, I can't really make it that much worse by having a go at fixing it myself. So I'm going to unfasten all the, there's like a tray under here, so I'm going to unfasten that, warm this up with a hot air gun a bit judiciously, also don't want to get it so hot that the paint comes off, and then push it from behind and see if we have any luck. Now looking underneath, here's the edge of the bumper. Ooh, and that's on. Here's the edge of the bumper, and the bit I need to get behind is this black piece. Now there's a bolt here, and there's another one a bit further around where my hand is there. But this pushes up, you know, I can get my hand in behind where the bump is. So I think what I'll do is I'll just have a go at warming it up and just pushing it from behind and see if that does the trick. Well, believe it or not, that's the result of 5 minutes of gently heating. I mean, I can still bear my hand on it, and just pushing from behind with my fingers. So it popped out immediately. It obviously wants to go back to the same place, and now I spent a little bit of time trying to get these flat. I'm going to do these a bit more because obviously I've still got a bit of a bulge here. But you just generally warm the area and push it slightly further past where you want it to be, and then when it comes back, yeah, I mean it's way better than it was. I'm going to see if I can get all of this off. Most of this is on top of the paint, so I think I can clean most of this off. This will obviously need painting, but we'll come back to that in a later video. But yeah, that's a pretty good result. Well, it seems I was more wrong than right. Most of these are actually in the paint, scrolled down to the black plastic. But at least it's cured this. I'm now going to have to paint this kind of along the, there's kind of a faint crease here, so I can tape just slightly above it there. I'll need to flat this off, fine fill these scratches, and then I can paint, kind of blend it into here, around the corner, and then just blend it away under the car. But we'll have to do that in a future video when I've got some paint. Because this is a pearl, so you have to do it white, and then there's a pearl coat that goes over the top, which changes the colour quite significantly when you do it. It looks wrong when you first put the white on, and then some top coat, but we'll do that in a future video. I'm going to have another go at, I've still got a little bit of a dimple here, and flattening off these, and I'll warm these up and have a final go. But thanks for watching this short video, and we'll see you in the next one.